Hi friends, this series is started for those who are appearing for bank exams or candidate going for the interview or working in banking projects. These are important banking questions and answer session. Question number 76. What is meant by CTR in anti-money laundering? Answer is cash transaction report. All cash transactions of the value of more than 10 lakhs in a calendar month, these will be included in CTR report. Question number 77. As per the which act cash transaction report should be generated? Answer is the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Rules notified thereunder came into force with effect from 1st July 2005. Question number 78. What is meant by FIU-IND? Answer is Financial Intelligence Unit India. The Government of India set up Financial Intelligence Unit India FIU-IND on 18th November 2004 as an independent body to report directly to the Economic Intelligence Council headed by the Finance Minister. Question number 79. Which is the headquarters for FIU-IND? Answer is New Delhi. Question number 80. What is the due date for submitting cash transaction report to FIU-IND? Answer is 15th of the succeeding month. Means, for example, if you are submitting for the April, May 15th is the due date. Should be submitted to FIU-IND by 15th of the succeeding month. Question number 81. What is meant by STR? Answer is Suspicious Transaction Report. Question number 82. What is the due date for the submitting Suspicious Transaction Report? 3 days. Suspicious transaction to Director FIU-IND not later than 3 working days from the date of occurrence of such transaction. Question number 83. Which data should be sent through Suspicious Transaction Report? Answer is branch, account details, transaction details, individual and entity details should be sent to the FIU-IND. Question number 84. What is meant by CCR report? Answer is Counterfeit Currency Report. All cash transactions where forged or counterfeit currency notes of bank notes have been used as genuine. Question number 85. Due date to submit counterfeit currency report 7 working days. These transactions should be reported to Director FIU India not later than 7 working days from the date of occurrence of such transactions. Question number 86. What is meant by LIBOR? London Interbank Offer Rate. Rate which be linked to floating rate loans depending on the index rate. Rate can be moved up or down. Question number 87. Objective of SARFAESI Act 2002 allows banks and financial institutions to auction properties. Allows banks and financial institutions to auction properties, say commercial, residential, when the borrower fails to repay the loans. Question number 88. What is meant by SARFAESI? Securitization and resection of financial assets and enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. It allows banks and financial institutions to auction residential or commercial properties to recover loans. Question number 89. Which is exempted under SARFAESI Act? Agricultural land. Court ruled that expression agricultural land in section 31 of the SARFAESI Act does not include land on which plantation crops are banana, cardamom, coffee, pepper, rubber and tea. Question number 90. What is meant by CASA? Current account and savings bank account. Entire customer's money available in savings and current account in the bank is called CASA. Question number 91. What is meant by CEB income in bank? CEB means commission, exchange and brokerage. Commission, exchange and brokerage income generated by the bank is called CEB income. Question number 92. What are the types of negotiable instruments recognized under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? Answer is promissory notes, bill of exchange, checks. Negotiable instruments are written contracts whose benefit could be passed on from its original holder to a new holder. Question number 93. What do you mean by Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? Answer is law relating to all negotiable instruments. Negotiable instruments means a document which is transferable from one person to another person. Question number 94. What is meant by no frill account? Answer is maintained without or with very low minimum balance is called no frill account. Introduced no frill savings account in 2005 to provide basic banking facilities to poor and promote financial inclusion. The accounts could be maintained without or with very low minimum balance. Question number 95. What is meant by PMJDY account? Answer is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana savings account. It can be opened with zero balance in any bank. Checkbook can be issued. They are required to fulfill minimum balance criteria. Question number 96. What is the age limit to open Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Answer is 18 to 59 years. Must have opened a bank account for the first time between 15th August 2014 and 31st January 2015. Question number 97. What is meant by inactive status of a savings bank account? Not made any transactions for more than 12 months, then account will be classified as inactive status. If you have a savings or current account and if you have not made any transactions for more than 12 months, the account will be listed as inactive status. Question number 98. What is meant by bulk deposit in banks? If deposit amount is more than 2 crores, then it is called bulk deposit. Interest rate will be fixed by the Treasury Department for those accounts. Question number 99. What is meant by business correspondents? Business correspondents are bank representatives. They help villagers to open accounts and carries a mobile device and helps villagers in banking transactions. Question number 100. What is meant by off-site ATM? Answer is only ATM without branch, then the ATM is called off-site ATM. This means that the bank has place where there is only an ATM machine, then this becomes an off-site ATM for a bank. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.